What is going on, everybody? This is Jack with the Trading Tribe. I am excited to bring you guys another video. Today, we're going to go over something that has helped me tremendously, especially by getting off the computer and having some more time back in the day. And it is going to be how to use alerts effectively with TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. And most platforms nowadays, especially the modern platforms, offer this capability of alerting, but it really is a cool way to kind of automate your trading, or at least automate the idea finding stage of your trading. So really excited to show this today, and feel free to like and comment this video if you have any questions, because your very first time it can be a little bit confusing. But if we take a look at my screen, I am looking at trading natural gas today on the day trading time scale. And sometimes, right, if you're either working another job or you don't want to be, glued to your computer, it can be nice to kind of set your levels and set your alerts at your levels. So you don't necessarily have to watch the whole day to see if price gets there, or to basically wait for that 1 minute to enter. You can essentially automate that by setting alerts. So in Thinkorswim, it's pretty easy. Some platforms it differs, so you'll have to kind of reformat this video depending on what you're using for your broker and stuff like that. But on TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim, you basically go to that level on the chart, and then you take a right click on the chart, and there are a few options. So there, you can obviously do a lot of other stuff with a right click, but if you see this create alert section, you can choose single, which is basically creating a single alert. And then you basically have a few options. So basically, starting from the top, right, we are on the natural gas future. So the ticker symbol is NGF22 for now. And that's the front month for the contract. And mark is basically saying when price gets to a certain mark or a certain level, let me know. So if you have Thinkorswim on your phone, on your desktop, this would notify both based on your push notifications and stuff like that. This can be amazing because even if you're driving or on the move, you'll still get kind of a buzz on your phone to let you know maybe your fantasy order might get filled, or maybe, price is just somewhere you need to take a look. So that's another cool thing about alerts. Basically, you're just setting a price alert. So in our case, right, we picked kind of the middle of this zone. So if it got up to 3.85, this is saying if it gets there or goes above it, let us know. It gives you kind of a preview of that level. So if we clicked OK and it pushed up to 3.85, that's where we'd get the notification. We can also do it the opposite. So we can do at or below. So if we want to know when it gets down to like 3.74, for example, maybe we want to buy it on the dip, we could set at or below, and then we could get even stricter. So we could put above or below. So this is more of like a greater than or less than or equal to. And these two are a little bit more specific. It needs to get above the level, not just test the level. So a lot of flexibility there. On futures, I do this all the time because I take lunch breaks or have another job, so I'm pretty busy during the day, and this is like a really cool way to basically not have to be glued to your screen all day. So if we do at or above, in this case, create down at the bottom, we'll actually plug it into the chart, basically make it official. And I do this a lot for trading. And then on stocks, we look at a stock like Netflix and then zoom out to the 1 year chart in this example. I tend to day trade futures and I tend to swing trade stocks. So I have kind of different strategies for different instruments. See my other videos if you want a little bit more information there. But alerts work the same way. So if you're swing trading, you might want an alert when it gets to the price you want to get out at. Or you might want an alert when it gets to a zone you're interested at. There's the same concept. So one swing trade that I'm in right now is Netflix, and maybe I want to take another position in Netflix. So scaling into the position if it gets above this 620 level. So essentially confirms the uptrend. I can go to that 620 level, same process, right click, create alert. And then on the stock side of things, it's really the same thing. So you'll have the stock ticker symbol, we'll have mark, which is basically just saying if the price gets to this level, let us know. And then the same for options. So in this case, it would be at or above this 620 level. And we can just type 620, be a little bit more accurate. And then it gives you just kind of a preview, if you will, of that price zone. And then if we click create, same thing, right? We have an alert here and we have it kind of in preview mode. But if price did push up to 620, whether it's during market hours, after market hours, pre-market hours, it will ping you. And then what's cool about Thinkorswim, and one of the things that I love about the platform, is even after something's created, and this goes to orders, this goes to really anything in the platform, everything's drag and drop. So if you made a mistake and you want to kind of adjust the level or adjust the alert the next day, all of this stuff is drag and drop on the chart. So we could let us know, when it hits target instead. If we drag it up there and let go, it'll basically prompt us for, did you mean to do that? Essentially, we can click cancel if it was a mistake, or replace if we did that alert on purpose. So we just changed it from an alert to notify us in confirmation to an alert that notifies us when direction is clear and it hits target. And these are both ways that I use alerts on a day-to-day basis. I hope these kind of two methods really help you. A lot of traders out there are juggling with kind of a full-time job and other responsibilities. So this is a tool that has helped me a ton. And thank you so much for coming. We will have a lot more videos coming in the future. So we're really excited about taking this channel pretty seriously. So thanks again for coming.